What are you working on?
Crochet.
All right, now crochet last week was causing you problems. Tell me what was going on and what you said about crochet. Like just be honest. Tell them what you said.
So I was crocheting and it took me like 1,000 times to be dramatic to finally get my first pot holder in crochet.
But what did you say when I kept ripping out your work? What did you say?
I'm never gonna finish.
Never. You were discouraged, weren't you?
Yeah.
And when I would tell you you would learn it, you didn't believe me, right?
Nope.
No. Elijah, all right. Something happened this week. What happened?
Well, I finished it.
We wrapped it.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
And we got it home. And then I started working on one. And
A second pot holder.
The second one, I just kept doing it. And then it's like magic. Like I start doing it, then I fold it up and I'm like, oh, it's done already. And this one right here, I was so into it that I had to pull some out because I was going up too much.
You went too far.
Yeah.
And how many days did it take you to make this pot holder, Elijah?
1 day.
1 day. Okay, now he's finished with this one. We're going to get this one ready to also give to his parents at Christmas. And then he already started another one. And then he came to me and said some really powerful things just now. What did you say, Elijah? Nice and loudly.
I love crocheting.
And you even said it's good for you. Do you remember what you said?
It's good for me because it just keeps my mind working.
And
my hands moving, just keep doing it.
Said it calms him down.
Yeah.
It's really relaxing and it keeps him busy all the time. Whatever we're doing, you can be crocheting. I'm reading to you and you can be crocheting. Yeah. So, yay for crochet?
Yay for crochet.
Bye-bye. I'm Janine Matsuda, and this is my 4th grade class.
Don't forget